to my YouTube channel. It's that girl Jalyn, and I'm back with another video. So you guys, by the title, obviously I am going to be doing a what's in my suitcase vacation edition. I'm going on vacation slash vacation because I'm going on vet. But I'm gonna tell you guys where I'm going at the end of this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. And also, if you're watching and you aren't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe and do that for me and like this video for me. And also make sure you guys turn on them post notifications. Now let's get into this video. Okay, so I got a suitcase. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I was gonna get, you know, I was gonna go out and get a little pretty suitcase, but now I just got some plain, some black. It's like black grayish or whatever. But I'm about to show y'all what's in my suitcase. I'm super excited. So yesterday I did go shopping. Everyone say, hey, Callie. Say hi. All right, so girl, no, don't be trying to take my Red Bull. No, girl. So you guys, let me show you guys. So I went to the mall yesterday and I got a couple things. So let me show y'all what I got. I got this super long shirt and I'm gonna wear this like with some shorts. I know it looks kind of big, but it's gonna be like some little booty shorts underneath. Bam, because y'all know your girl come with all the fashion. I'm telling y'all, your girl know how to dress. So look at these shorts. These shorts are super cute. Okay, they small in the waist, obviously, but they like flare out. So that's why they look like, you know, so big on the thighs part. But they're super cute on me. I tried them on. Bae likes them and I like them. So that's all that matters. I hope y'all like them too. And then I got these stack pants lately. They've been in the, you know, books lately. So I'm telling y'all, if y'all ain't got this, it's definitely one for the books. Not this color, but they have like all different types of colors. So whatever favorite color y'all got, y'all can rock these, okay? And they just, you know, come out like this. They got the little drawstring on them, whatever. And then they're super cute, super comfy. I tried them on. I'm gonna be wearing these with my Alexander McQueen's, some fresh white ones. And I have this little bodysuit as well too. This is gonna go with this. And I'm gonna wear this. It's gonna be super cute. And I'm gonna have on my little chains, my little purse. I'm gonna get into it, okay? And then I got this little top. It's a little, you know, classy, just like a one shoulder top. And I got some jeans with it. These are from Honey Bum. There's some nice jeans. Super comfy. Your girl thick is F in them. Super cute. Y'all know I love my jeans. It's gonna be getting cold soon. Y'all, I've literally been up all freaking morning. Like, I fall asleep late, then I get up early, then I'll just be super tired. So that's why your girl got a Red Bull. Sponsor me. Let me take a drink. Hold on. Super good. Okay, so let me show y'all what else I got. I got this little Fashion Nova jumpsuit. This is these are stacked as well, but it's a stacked jumpsuit. It's super cute. It's from Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova is you know, they keeping up with the trends. They ain't missing no drops, okay? But these are super cute. This is super cute, but yet I haven't tried it on, so hopefully it fits. Y'all, honestly, I'm only going for 4 days, 3 nights. And let me tell y'all, I get extra with my luggages. So I got this top as well. This top is fire. So this is from Fashion Nova as well. It got little rhinestones on it. And I'm going to wear these with my little rhinestone sandals. Really, really cute. This goes back to the shorts that I got. These are the black ones, and I'm gonna wear it with this little top and probably slip on like some heels. It's gonna be really cute together because y'all might think that it doesn't match, but you see under the pockets right here, it got a little black. The details matter, baby. Okay. And then y'all, I got so much swimming suits only because I have to take a picture on all of these. So I really got this I really like this pink one. This pink one is super fire, super, you know, bossy type. I never seen nobody with that swimsuit. Then I got this swimsuit. This is a blue one. It's tie-dye. I've been lately feeling the tie-dye. Super cute. Here's the top, and it comes with like a little skirt. It's fire. It's, ooh, you tie it up, put it on. What? Super cute. And then I have one more. That's from Shein. This is from MAC Collection, y'all. I be all up in the websites, just lurking, trying to, you know, figure out something. So this ties around here, and it's one piece. This is super cute on me, y'all. Lately, I've been really feeling the one pieces, super cute, and your girl be snatched, okay? And then I got a little sequin dress from Fashion Nova. Okay, so me and babe, when we go on a date night, somebody said we should definitely, oh, I almost told y'all, I can't tell y'all yet, but somebody said that we should go to this place there, and you know, when we go on a date night, Nair has some shoes to match this, and they fire. So I wanted to grab those up. So I'm about to put these back in here. Let me show y'all my shoes. Here's my purses. So I got this little, you know, this goes with this top right here. It's some heels, really, really cute. It has like little, you know, glitter, whatever you want to call it on here. Then I have my little block purse. Really cute, cute. And then I have these like little sandals just in case if I don't feel like wearing some heels, I could just, you know, put these on. These are really, really cute. And then I have these sandals. These match the little purse that I showed you guys. It has like, you know, little rhinestones on it. Ooh, really cute. And then I have some Gucci shoes. Woo, y'all, I've been wanting these so freaking bad, but yesterday when I went, I was so scared that they didn't have my size, and I was like, hopefully they got my size. The guy that helped me out was super nice, and he got my size. These are really, really cute, super cute. They like really cute on small people's feet. You know, I wear a size 5, so these is really cute. They got rhinestones on these. Lately, I've been into rhinestones, so yeah, I'm gonna rock these out. And then I have, you know, my little gots to have. I got some shampoo, even though I'm supposed to be gonna go get my hair done at 8, but if I go swimming and I decide to take my ponytail out, because I'm gonna be getting another ponytail, but just like a middle part, I got my shampoo right here. And then can't forget about the deodorant, because you ain't trying to smell like B.O. So I got this. And then I got some floss, because if y'all don't know, you gotta have floss after you get done eating, because you don't want to be talking to somebody's face and then you got, you know, food in your mouth. So I got this. And then can't forget about the body wash, because how you gonna put on some deodorant if you dirty? So got some body wash. And then I just bought like a little, you know, pink spongy with a little travel size toothpaste and toothbrush right here. And then I want to show you guys what else I got from the mall, and I can show you guys my little airport outfit. I'm gonna tell you guys what heels I'm bringing. So I'm bringing these clear ones. These are from Ego Official, super cute, really cute. Let me throw them in a suitcase before I get them. And I got these ones, these heels. These are very fire, super cute, especially when you tie them up. Put those in the bag. And then I want to show y'all my purses, my other 2 purses that I'm bringing, because I'm bringing 4 purses. So my other 2 purses is super, super cute. Y'all, my battery's about to die. Hold on, let me change this battery. All right, you guys, so I changed the battery. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna be wearing to the airport. I got some little light work. Wait, first I'm gonna show y'all my other purse that I'm gonna be wearing with this cute little swimsuit I got. Hold on. So lately, y'all, I've been really into rhinestones. I really love this purse. It's super, super duper cute. Mwah, mwah. And you also, like, you don't even have to wear it for a purse because you can't fit like much in here. But guess what? You can use it as like a little, what is it called? A little like, so what I use it for is I just like, you know, put it in my beauty room just because my beauty room is pink and it has pink on it, has all different colors. So I just use it as like a statue or whatever. But yeah, that's going with me. I also am going to wear this to the airport. So I'm just going to wear like some little biker shorts. Little biker shorts with my Yeezys. I really love these and they super comfortable. And everybody know that it be cold in the airport. So I got a little, you know, a little pullover hoodie just so I could tie this mug up and fall asleep and I ain't gotta worry about, you know, nobody looking at me, nobody recording me while I'm asleep or anything. I'm, you know, tie it all the way up so my face ain't showing and be knocked out. And then let me show y'all, cause girl bought her first Prada bag. What? Ooh, y'all ain't ready for this one. This one fire. This one fire. Okay, so this one I'm gonna be wearing to the airport too. It's so cute. And then I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be shopping wherever, like when I tell y'all where we going, but I'm gonna be shopping there. I've never been there before, so hopefully, you know, a lot of things is open and I have fun. But y'all ready? What color y'all think it is? Comment right now what color y'all think it is, and then I'm gonna wait. Let's open it now. Okay. Woo. Y'all, honestly, let me tell y'all before I show y'all. I'm not really like a designer, like I need to keep up with all designers because I'm really a cheap person, okay? I'm 1 minute I spend it and then the next minute I regret it. So, you know, it's good to, you know, treat yourself every once in a while, and that's what I did yesterday. I treat myself, but I know for a while I'm not gonna be like wearing nothing else. Like I only have 3 designer bags and I really like, I barely even wear them. Like it's just so weird because like I like more than spending more, so I can, like, you know, buy so many purses with the amount of money I spent on this. So, you know, I will wear these things out until like they like to the bottom, like on this last wheel, and then I'll probably go purchase another one. But they really like, it's just another thing to have. But let me show y'all. So this baby is fire. I couldn't walk out the store without this. So here it go. It's one of the classics. It's really, really cute. I can't wait to put it on. And then let me show y'all how it goes. So basically it has another little bag inside, and then sometimes it's not like, okay, let me be real with y'all. Sometimes you pay for stuff like the packaging too, because like this packaging is like really luxurious. But let me show y'all like 2 ways you can do it. So it comes with this little, you know, this little chain or whatever, so you can hook it up on this side, and then you can hook it up on this side, and then you could just rock it like this. Bam, just rock it like this. Or if you like, you can remove this. Take this off. Callie's over here just sniffing and sniffing my stuff. She like, where you going? Where you going? She knows, y'all. All right, so you like this? You like this? So this is the other part. So it has like a little pouch. You can put like some little money in there, little money or something. And then you can wear it like this. I really like this style. You could also even take this off like this and just rock it like this, or you could rock it this way like this. Ooh, this is cute. I like this though. You nosy girl. So I'm gonna be wearing this to the airport too, so I have to, you know, because they go by the weight with your the suitcase. So I'm gonna just wear this with my little airport outfit, and it matches too, so it's bomb. I'm gonna take off my LV, give that a break because I've been wearing that down. And then last thing I gotta get is I gotta just get I just gotta get like my Alexander McQueen's, and then I gotta get you know, some underclothes, some socks, and probably like some chill stuff so we can, because we're supposed to be going like dirt biking, zip lining, and I do want to go to the okay, I'm ending this video out anyway. So we are going to Las Vegas. It's my first time going to Las Vegas. Like, I'm 22. I'm about to be 23, and it's my first time going to Las Vegas. But it's a first time for everything. But I really want to go to the, what is it called? Grand Canyon. I want to go there and take some fire pictures. But yeah, that is all I have. If you guys want to watch vlogs of vacationing, just subscribe to the channel. I need to go wash my hair and stuff because I have to go head to my hair appointment. And I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little what's in my suitcase, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye.